Alright boys, going back out fishing. I have to ditch my fishing vest because I'm going to go undercover today. This is my golfing disguise. Yellow polo shirt. Got shorts on. I got, instead of using all my gear in my vest, I've transferred it over to this tiny tackle box. And I've got my spinnerbait in here, got my crankbaits, got my jigs, got some swivels, got my worms, got my whip tails here, extra hooks, got all my other panfish jigs. So I'm just gonna keep all of it in this, and I'll have to have these pliers. I guess I'll keep those in my pocket. And I'm just gonna try to look incognito and head to a new golf course today. This one's gonna be in the midday. It's a small town. Probably not as many rich people like holding trophy bass in it, so I think that's the theory I had. Oh shit, boys. The pièce de résistance. The Wendy's visor. Visor is totally stupid golfing headwear. I was gonna get a cap. All my caps are kind of hunting themed. Man, that doesn't look right at all when you're bald. Does it? I don't know, man. How's that look? My head sticking at the top. I don't know. Like, you can't really see what the logo is from far away. So as long as nobody gets too close, they'll just assume it's a golfing visor, not a Wendy's visor. This is the one I found on top of my mailbox when I lived in Lexington, and I was having everybody think that I worked at Wendy's. I've never worked at Wendy's or any fast food place. Cool though, isn't it? Oh, I'm also take my 9-iron because you never know. I'm gonna find golf balls in the pond probably. If nobody's around, I might just hit a few on the green just to have some practice shots. Okay, boys. I think that's the driving range to the left there. I feel. Somebody just went over the first hole. Some people are. Oh, that pond right there is all dried up. Ooh, okay. This might be a problem. So we're gonna go on past the golf course. Out here to hole number 6-ish, something like that. I think this is hole 8, right before the last hole. There's the barn where everybody takes their pisses. Oh wait, it's not there. Okay, I think we go down this road. Yeah. Shit, okay, there's somebody playing golf right there. Oh man, this is gonna be a tough fish, boys. I don't know how I'm gonna stealth in and out of this. Okay. This might not work at all. I did not realize how hard this is gonna be. I thought they were gonna be closed for the coronas. Okay, there's a big flag, and there's our pond right there. So we need to park right here on the side of the road. There's not really any place to park on the side of the road. Maybe we can get over. I don't know. We got a guy over there on a tractor watching. Oh man, this is a little iffy. Just like nowhere to pull. Okay, here's a little turn. We could park here, maybe? No, that's kind of a road. I don't know. This is a little par 3. I played here before. I thought there's kind of like a little swampy area in here too. These people are going backwards. Where are y'all going? Man, I want to sneak onto this golf course. Okay, right here, a little dirt road. Man, I don't know about this, boys. I don't know about this. Let's try this. Hold in here. There's a lot of golfing going on today. It's hard to sneak into a golf course in the midday like this. Maybe I should try around the back. the side of the road is like kind of steep. Man, those guys right there, I think they just backed up to do like another try at this part 3. They didn't like their shots. We've done that before. It's kind of cheating, but you get to play an extra hole. Okay, let's see. Right here. I don't know if there's even any fish in that pond. Let me just... Oh, right there's a really good spot to get in, though. I'm just going to pull over to the side like this. Oh, shit. Here comes somebody right now. Just go back to driving. This is like I'm just still driving. Still driving. Yeah, I'm still driving. I didn't pull over to the side of the road. Oh, fuck. Shit. I don't know what to do, boys. So much traffic and stuff around here. It's like, why? I'm in the middle of nowhere. Okay. This is really weird. I feel like somebody that's about to streak a baseball game or something. It's a really weird feeling about this. Alright. Okay. Hang on. These guys that are golfing won't say anything. I'll stay off to the left. Bury myself in a sand trap, boys. Fucking cow. Oh, I didn't even ring my lures. Okay, that's fine. Just want to see if it's possible. Oh shit. I'm way up here on the fairway. I parked too far away. Look how far away the pond is. What the fuck am I doing, guys? What the fuck am I doing? So I'm gonna just fish this pond, let these guys play through. I mean, I look like a golfer, so they're not gonna say anything probably. I know there's about to be like a threesome or a foursome coming through here. Me and my cousin used to play here. We'd always like want to stop and hang out at the pond, look for balls, but like people would play through so fast. It's almost like you couldn't do it. Worst comes to worst, I just take off over here to the road. Take off down the road. Gotta remember to grab my GoPro. Actually, this hole up here, the tee is up there after these guys. They're gonna get over this pond onto this green over here. This one, this green is the end of this long par 5. Look at all the dirt that's really hard packed here. I don't think anybody was playing over there. So this pond here, we should be in the clear for a while. Then once these guys play through, we gotta switch over to that pond. I think I hear them up there. Okay. We got a lot of moss growing around this one. I don't know about this, boys. All right. a shot. They're teeing off. I think I heard one of them hit the green. Alright boys, we're gonna go hide. We're gonna hang out behind this tree until they play through. Pretend like I'm looking for balls or something. I have my fishing pole. I think I heard them up there. Yeah, there they are. Those 3 guys right there. They're teeing off. 4 guys. It's a foursome. They don't see me. Oh shit, there's another cart over there. Fuck. That's hole 7. Yeah, they just teed off. Pulled it to the right end of the trees looking for his ball. Hopefully, it's not the manager. Just hanging out over here for a bit. Let me go over to this bush. Yeah, this bush seems a little bit stealthier. I don't know what this rope's for. Oh shit, there's some guys over there. Look like I'm pissing over here. What the fuck is that? Is that a cow on the course? You guys see that? Oh shit. Definitely not gonna have time to get my 9-iron out. These guys over here are gonna have to come down this cart path. It's like I look so weird over here by this tree. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna leave my pole right there. I'm gonna walk up towards this green like I'm golfing. These guys over here in the par 3 are gonna come down this cart path. I got a foursome and a twosome. We're trying to dodge. It's all about how you walk and how you move. This is a lot like that office scene in The Matrix. Yep, they got golf clubs over there. Why did I wear a bright yellow shirt? Looks like they've added a little pavilion up there to take a break on. Never seen that before. Okay, there they go, there they go, there they go. Act like I'm looking for a wall. Be cool, everybody.